Oriental Rug Care, established in 1986. This was a fun project. As you can see here, all the bleed on this rug. The rug got wet and they folded over the right side onto the rug. That's why you can see all the red, and if you look really carefully you can see the print of the pattern on the center of that rug. So you can see that to the right there. So what we had to do first is hand wash this rug before we could go after it and do a dye treatment. So classic dirty fringes. See the pattern I'm talking about in the center there? That line that's right there. It's from when they flipped over the rug. So we're washing the rug and you can see it continues to bleed with all the red color coming out. So first we got to attack the cleaning first before we could do our special stripping process on it. So we washed the rug, we put it through the wringer. Now we're doing the stripping process. There's a special formula there. We work it in to remove the fugitive red dyes. And there's a before and after. Oriental Rug Care, established in 1986. We love hand washing rugs and correcting fugitive dyes. Call today. Thank you.